Yo, 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 are we back or what? Are we back? I've got everybody's questions saved, so... Okay, are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Testing. Are we testing? Are we testing? Are we testing? Okay. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's get everybody back in here. Hopefully we can get some more people back in. Should get back in. That's so annoying. I knew the stream was fine. The sound was fine. People were tweaking. I'm telling you. I had no issues with the sound. That's why I was so confused. So confused. So confused. Okay, I'm going to go through everybody's questions that I asked already earlier. Okay, and then, yeah, we'll get back into it. Okay, so... CGTL shit. I lost pretty much all the questions, but let's see. PCSA was going post market. PCSA. Let's see. I'm just starting from where I can see the charts. All right. Can everybody hear me fine before we start? Testing, testing. Hello, hello. You weren't tweaking? Well, let's see if it's working. PCSA. Let's see. I'm just starting from where I can see the chart. Okay, I think we're good. Discord questions, I'll get you guys in a bit. Oh, on computer was fine. All right, cool. Everyone can hear me. All right, let me go through. I'm just going to go through the old chat that we were on before. There's still like 26 people watching the old one, but it is what it is. PCSA high volume. Hollow. Hollow, hollow, hollow. As I mentioned on Hollow, right? This thing is not my favorite at the moment, right? You are at a support level. Maybe you could buy here. I would just wait for 286. There's a big resistance here to push to the upside. At the moment, it's bearish. There's nothing really going on with it. It's more of a day trade setup, this, not long-term or anything like that, all right? Lucid, Lucid, Lucid. What's happening here? This is an EV company, EV stock. I'm just going to go through this wick. It's not the end of the world. Technical police can come at me. They can find me. Lucid needs downtrend break. I think the issue is that it was working on computer and not on phone. Mic is glitching. I think your audio going out. Audio, audio, audio. Okay, that was the old live chat. SOUN. SOUN. What's happening here? SOUN has the gap fill. Looks nice. I like it. Gap fill. High probability to push up. Breaks this like $15. $14.50. Looks nice. How's SPY looking on? Not going to go on the computer. SPY is filling the gap. Looks good. Let's see. Remove this. Remove this. Got the new gap fill right here. Still gap fill? Yes, there is. Small little gap fill. Yep. Looks good. SPY is looking good. Still bullish, bullish, bullish. Even after yesterday's news. I knew it was priced in. The market was being weakened yesterday. Can you explain demand zone again? Demand zone is just basically the last red candle for the move up. So last red candle here before the push up. Where's your next last red candle? Right here for the push up. Where's your next last red candle before the push up? Right over here. All right. Let me just retweet this link so we get everyone in, because I know we lost a lot of people who were in that, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Okay, everyone can hear me. Guys, I'll get to your questions in a bit. I'm just going through the previous chat and then I'll get to you guys. Your Android must be on steroids. Can you explain bull flag, the way you use it? Bull flag is just, it's a bullish continuation pattern. So bullish flag is simply something like this, right? To continue to go up like this. Let me try and get you a proper price action. The bull flag needs to come from a bullish trend. So the bullish trend starts like this. Then you are coming down like this to break to the upside. Right? This is as quick as I can draw it and as clear as I can draw it for now. Yeah. As you can see is this, right? Uptrend. I'm sure you can get the gist of what I'm trying to draw. Uptrend, bull flag, up. Right? Usually it's even just a straight line like this. Straight uptrend like that. So yeah, something like that. And I always enter any chart pattern that is bullish, I enter inside of it. Ascending triangle, bullish pennant, bull flag, falling wedge, all that stuff. Loving explanation. I don't know why I hear I'm fine. Thanks, Tiger. I appreciate what you're doing. Most aren't just a trader, the educator. That's why I love it, bro. My goal is to teach everybody how to trade who is in the Discord. I want to teach them so they can become financially free like myself and do whatever you want to do. Go and play golf in the morning with me if you want. That is the dream. All right, ATHE, ATHE. ATHE, you can wait for 682 break to enter the trade. If it doesn't break 682, then do not enter. All right. And if you spam me on Twitter, I'm not saying I don't know who it is, if anyone's in here who's doing it, but the person who is spamming me on Twitter, I will simply just block you like I have. If you spam me, I will just block you. It is rude. I get about 500 questions and tickets and everything a day. I get to every single one. Just wait. And if you are not going to wait a couple minutes, I know you are a terrible trader because you have zero patience, and that is something you need to learn. So I will block you, and then you'll have to make a new account. I am ruthless. What do you offer in the Discord? Do you do live trading and provide follow-ups? Most Discord try to give alerts and kind of disappear. All right, everybody listen. The Discord is extremely clear. It's extremely great. It's fantastic, and it's worth every single penny. In my opinion, not because it's my Discord and Hassie's, it's because I know and I feel that we have the best. Why is that? We are always there for you guys. I'm there all pre-market and intraday. Hassie is there pretty much all day and after hours as well. We give pre-market alerts, which I do, and intraday alerts. He gives you intraday alerts as well and after hour alerts. During pre-market, we do not give you your targets, entries, and stop loss. We give you your risk management strategy that you follow during pre-market setups. From market open, we do live trading. I do it for the first hour. Hassie does it for the second hour. We give around 3 to 4 alerts each a day, so around 8 total a day. We focus on quality, not quantity. We give you the reasonings why we enter the trade. We teach you why. The seminars that we are teaching you is exactly why we enter the trade. So for instance, there's a falling wedge that we take an entry. You will know how to take it because it's on the seminar and you just have to watch it. Candlestick strategy, demand zone, all those things is on your seminars and you can watch that, and that is how we trade. So when I give the alert, I will tell you this is why we're taking it, and so on and so on. And that is how we trade. But yes, we do give you intraday. We give you the entry range. So I'll say enter ATH within, I'll say enter at 550, between 550 and 580 you can enter. Target 5%, stop loss 5%, something like that. All right. And yeah, seminars, all that kind of stuff. So I hope that is clear for you. And any other questions, let me know. Do you watch it, in 1 day 30 or 1 day 5 minutes? It's just, I don't know. Just 5 minutes, 5 minute chart. 1 day, 5 minute, I'm pretty sure. We can hear you. Fantastic. That makes me happy. But all that information I gave to everyone, no one really heard it, which is kind of sad. But for those who did, I hope you did. All right. TNXP looks good. TNXP, I nearly got stopped out on this, but I actually won on it yesterday. TNXP looking good. TNXP looks fantastic. NAOV, what's happening? Nothing unless downtrend break. NAOV, nothing unless downtrend break. Cool, got it, sorted out. Is the gap quantum tank NVIDIA? Oh, thank you for that. I didn't actually know if that was a term. That's funny, they already made a term for it. What do we see? X4. I don't know. For me, I'm not really interested in this, unfortunately. 90 cents maybe. Maybe a close above 90 cents. Difficult on this one because it's got a huge rejection off this level here. Rejection once, twice, 3 times. So yeah, we need to break above this. I will be on for another, like, I say like 5 minutes since it did cut out and a lot of people are joining. So as long as you guys support, I will be here for longer. Needs 0.900 break for entries on TNXP. Yes, I can hear you. Great. Can you explain bull flags? How I use it? Did it? Thank you for giving review on PCSA. No problem. Thank you for your manners, because you'll be very surprised that people mention on Twitter, do this chart, get this chart now, da 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 da. Rude. How do you know when to draw them white lines, as you will draw them, and when you check the stocks? 910 is where you drew the lines. How do you know where to draw them white lines, as you will draw them, and when you check the stocks? I'm not too sure exactly what you mean by that, but I just basically draw the lines. I like to go through the wicks like this. I just go for more touches, but try and get as clean as possible. So I have 1, 2, 3 touches. That's enough for a downtrend. You want at least 2 or 3 touches. Okay, so it is in a downtrend like that. So that is how I do it. I'm not too sure. I think the best way I can say it is just practice, practice, practice. You can do every single time frame. It doesn't matter. You can do a 4-hour time frame. You can do a 5-minute, 2-minute. It doesn't matter as long as you just practice it. So for here, for instance, you could probably do something like this, right? You have 1, 2, 3 touches here, as opposed to doing something like this, right? And you don't really have, that's a weird downtrend like that. I wouldn't do something like that. I would prefer to draw something like that as a downtrend. Yeah, a little bit confused with that question, but I think it's more practice, practice, practice. NAOV, gone over it, ready. If it breaks a downtrend, you can look for an entry. Gree. Green, nothing on this, up 3%. Very low volume, so I'm on the 4-hour here because there's no volume on smaller time frames. I'll start from this high and draw the downtrend like this. So now we have 1, 2, 3 touches. That's enough for a downtrend. Now if I'm looking for an entry, candle body must close above. Close above here, 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 wherever it does. That's when you can take your entry. Right now I would not touch it. Best Discord in 10 years. Thank you, Mr. Ferguson. I appreciate it. Passy trades. So the alerts are verbal. If you're in the live trading, the alerts are verbal, but if you are on the pro traders floor where every single alert is given, because some people are not able to join the live trading, we post it there. So we say you can enter a live now, and so on and so on and so forth. Right? So maybe tomorrow, if you guys want me to, I will go over the Discord tomorrow. All right. So tomorrow I will go over the Discord, since I've gotten a lot of questions about it, because people have been DMing me as well. So tomorrow I'll go over the Discord so you can have a look and see how the alerts work and everything. Go to Switch on trading pre-market 9:30. The last couple of weeks since Trump showed up, been terrible. Well, I mean, market's just been waiting for today, to be honest with you. Today's over, or yesterday was over, CPI or FOMC. So now it looks great. Do I remember? Yes, of course I remember those days, my friend. Of course. STAI, this is running. Gonna add this to my watch list. I would say if you want to take an entry, maybe a break above this, or 223 high break, take an impulse buy. So let's say this current candle here is this white line. If we break the high like this, you can take the trade for push to the upside. Make sure you have a stop loss and a target before you enter, right? You have a nice wick fill at 281. Wick fill just means there's a strong bullish trend and that there is a high probability it can fill that wick. This is STAI. STAI looks nice. Thank you for your knowledge. Discord is awesome. Love to hear it, my friend. Glad you are enjoying it. Okay, the white lines make sense now. Okay, no problem. They're just trend lines or patterns. Tiger, good morning. Do you use the candle body or the wick? Does it depend? So for me, I go through the wick, right? Technically, you shouldn't do it, but it doesn't matter, to be honest with you. You'll notice, and I've noticed over the years, there's no proper way to trade, right? In my opinion, I still have history that, or I still have, I don't know, for me, I just prefer going through the wicks, because the more touches gives me more confidence that's a strong area of resistance. So if it breaks that, then I will take the trade. Yeah, it's not the end of the world, to be honest. So for instance, something like this, you can go through the wicks. Like I would actually draw the downtrend like this. It's a lot cleaner. We're getting more touches here, 1, 2, 3, going down. This one, I don't really like these wicks here, so I would prefer to something like this. Breaks the downtrend here, I would look for an entry. What up, Soaks? Long time no see. Hollow, yeah, hollow again and again and again. I would wait for 286. Right now it's at support, it's bearish. I wouldn't be in the stock. Do you still do $500 challenge? Hassie's going to probably do it in the summer again. It's basically just showing you that you can build a small account. He does a $500, gives the alerts based on the $500. It's just higher probability setups, and that's kind of how we do it. So yeah, just showing you can trade on a small account, and he just shows you update every single day or every week on the growth of the account, wins, losses, and all that stuff. Hope that helps. DJT. All right, DJT is nothing on this, to be honest with you. I'm gonna go through this. I'm gonna go through that wick there because it looks cleaner like this. Yeah, right now still bearish. Lays, yes I will, and then I've got to head into Discord. I've got to answer some questions. All right, here we go. Lays is still bearish in my opinion. However, you are in a demand zone. This is where a possible reversal occurs. So what I suggest is waiting for maybe the downtrend break on this to enter the trade. This is quantum play from what I know, and it will follow the rest of them. I know it did have news, but yeah, we'll see. Lays needs downtrend break. All right, okay guys, I've got to head into Discord. I've been here a little bit longer than normal, okay, and I will answer everybody's questions tomorrow. Hold those questions for tomorrow. I'm going to be going over the Discord tomorrow, okay? I will be showing you everything in the Discord. However, if you want to join, you can join right over here. Click that link, choose the 1 or 3 month tier, and I will see you in live trading in exactly 20 minutes. All right, have a great day guys, morning, afternoon, wherever you are. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out.